Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a BingX account, download the app, and complete your setup step by step. The reason many people are joining BingX right now is because of its partnership with the Zop trading bot, which has been showing impressive trading results with high accuracy rates over the last 24 hours, 7 days, and even 30 days. Right now, BingX is one of the easiest exchanges to connect with the bot using API integration. I'll leave my BingX referral link and WhatsApp group link in the description below. Make sure you use the referral link before downloading the app from the Play Store or App Store. To sign up, simply enter your email address, create a strong password, and click Sign Up. After that, BingX will send a verification code to your email. Copy the code, paste it into BingX, and confirm your registration. Once your account is created, download the BingX app and log in. The next important step is completing your KYC verification. Click on Get Verified. Choose your ID type such as ID card, passport, or driver's license, and follow the instructions to upload your documents and take a selfie. After verification, your BingX account will be fully ready for trading and connecting with the Zop trading bot. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the WhatsApp group for more updates.